What are some of the top audio editors for Android devices? You may not always have your laptop or tablet or desktop, but you would want to edit your videos remotely. Here are some of the most common audio editors that you can use for Android. The number one is Dolby. Now this Dolby has some very interesting features. This includes that it has a built-in audio recorder. It allows noise reduction. You can trim your audio. The other function is that you can boost your sounds, you can add visualization, and you can also export your video after you're done editing it. This audio editor is free from Play Store and you can download it. You don't have to pay anything to use this audio editor for Android. The second free audio editor for Android on the list is Studio. Now this editor allows you to record your audio, edit and merge it. You can also extract audio from video and convert the audio files to your preferred format before exporting them. That's not all. You can adjust the tempo, change the pitch of your audio and the matter. You can also amplify your audio and convert it to play in the reverse. So this is another free audio editor for your Android that you can download from Play Store with very many interesting features that you are not likely to find in other free audio editors if you look to use it on your Android device. The third free audio editor for Android that we have on our list is WebEdit. This application is free on Play Store but has an additional cost of $3.99 if you are to unlock all the features. Now what does this application do differently? Now this editor allows you to import and record audio files in 30 different formats. With the free version, however, you can only export your audio in 6 formats, which are AIFF, FLF, LCSC, MP4, OGG, PCM and WAV. Now, some of the most interesting editing features that come with this application include zooming, panning and selection. You can also add microprocess functions like fade and reverse and invert this video. If you're already deep into your creation process, or if you've been creating for a long time and you prefer premium audio editors, then you should go for things like Voice Pro, which goes for $12.99 but then allows up to 100 recording formats. You can also try Audio Revolution, which goes for $6.99 per month, and FL Studio for Android, which goes for $15.99. So those are some of the free and paid audio recording editors or audio editors for Android that you can use to edit your audio and use it in your videos. That is, if you're intending to do that. Now, if you find this helpful, like it, share it, hit the sub button, and see you in the next video.